In the last, okay. Do you know A multiply B and B multiply A? The property is called A multiply B, B multiply. In numbers, 3 multiply 4, 4 multiply 3. This property is known as commutative property of multiplication. And if there are 3 elements, 3 numbers, just like these, 2 multiply 5 and then multiply 6. This property is known. Can you differentiate between these two? In the commutative property, there are only 2 elements. And in the associative property, there are 3 elements. But in first 2, there is a bracket, and here the last 2. Okay. Here we have. Okay, this exercise we have done. Let me repeat it.
Sir, we have done. It gets done exercise number 1.
Yes.
And 2.
Yes. Let's check the question 3. 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. The property used here is known as commutative property. Commutative property of what? Addition or
multiplication?
Excellent. And if you write this as 5 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 5. So this property is known as commutative property of
Plus.
Yes, addition. Excellent. Do you know the mathematical name of 1? That is
what?
1.
Identity.
Identity.
Okay.
But which identity? Multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative.
Multiplicative identity. Identity mean 1 here. And multiplication mean when we multiply 1 with a number, we get no change. We get the same.
सर ये हम कॉपी भी करेंगे.
हाँ, बस इसमें आपने सिर्फ लिखना है multiplicative, sorry, commutative property of addition here.
अच्छा लिख लेना और फिर उसके नीचे ये लिख लेना.
और यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है?
यहाँ पे सर multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative
identity.
Identity. That's the answer of second part. 1 is multiplied, so it means multiplicative identity is multiplied. So just multiplicative identity is your answer. If there is other elements, for example, if 5 is multiplied, so that doesn't mean multiplicative identity. Only multiplicative identity is used for 1. Okay. First, just read this one. Which property is used? This we will do after this fourth part. 12 8.
Sir, multiplication.
Yes, multiplication. But how many elements are there? How many numbers are there in this?
Sir, on the both side.
Yes.
On one side.
No, each side.
Each side, okay.
3.
Sir, in each side, I think there are 4.
Here, how many are there?
Commutative property of multiplication.
Yes, sir. 2 elements property is known commutative, and 3 elements property is known as, but the sign must be same.
Associative.
This is known as associative
It's
property.
associative.
Associative property, okay. And here The third one, this property is distributive. How ये distributive mean? देखें, the signs are not.
Sir, can you mute Zahid Khan, please?
Okay, mic off किया करें जिसके हो. So here the sign is same, multiply, 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 and each sign is multiply. But here plus, and what is here? Bracket mean multiply. So there are two signs, multiply.
Sir, I know this is distributive property.
Yes, you can see on the right side there are two
Or
signs.
multiplication over
There are
addition.
two signs, multiply and plus. So this 6 is distributed with 2 as well
Distributive
as
property
with
of
1.
multiplication over addition.
Distribute mean डिवाइड हो गया, स्प्लिट हो गया है. सो 6 को हमने 2 के साथ और फिर 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो ऑलरेडी मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है. सो दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here it is multiplication, there is addition. This 4 is distributed with say of 2 as well as with 1. So this property is known as which property? Distributive. You can find the spelling distributive, T-I-V-E, distributive property of multiplication. Okay.
Over addition.
Yes, multiplication over addition. The property used here is a distributive property. And this and that, there is a difference. Here each and every sign, both signs are same, and here signs are different. Plus, and there is multiply. Multiply and plus. And you see this 4 is distributed over 2 as well as with 1. So this property is known as distributive property. Okay. Okay, and then question 4, find each sum or product mentally. कहते कि ऐसे ही कर ले, कॉपी पेन से नहीं, mentally कर दे डायरेक्ट. What will be the answer?
Sir, it will be 55.
55, exactly. If you do just these two, 13 and 7 from this will be 40 and 10 more, 50 and this 5. So your answer is?
And sir, the number 2 is 30.
Yes, 55. Okay, here the answer is?
30.
Okay, your answer is 30. Other one?
30, sir.
30. आप भी कहते हैं 30. आप भी कोई और जिसका आंसर 30 ना हो, कुछ और? Zaida,
Sir,
what's your answer?
I
Arham.
think it's 30, sir.
Okay, Arham
Yes,
is
sir, it's 30.
30. Shahir, Hanzala.
I'm 30 also.
Okay,
Yes,
30,
sir.
30 for each one. But Shahram, what's your answer?
No, it's 0.
Wow, Zabardast. Azan.
15 zeros are 0, 0,
Yes,
2s
yes,
are 0.
yes. 15 zeros are 0.
And 0, 2s are 0.
1 minute. Okay.
And number 3 one is 40.
This is all you got, this one.
Yes, sir.
Because
when I looked at 0.
yes, 15 zeros are 0 and 0 2s are 0. ऐसा क्लास में भी होता है. एक बंदा
2 के साथ जो भी मल्टीप्लाई हो.
एक बंदा वो नहीं पढ़ता, तो उसके साथ इधर हो या इधर हो, ये तो खुद 0 है तो ये उनको भी 0 कर देता है. तो आपको रहना चाहिए कि आप attentive हो. So this will give you 0. And this one?
And number 40.
Okay.
Because 18 plus 2, 20.
Yes,
15
yes.
plus 5.
18 plus 2 is 20, and this is 20, 20 plus 20, that is 40. Excellent. Good.
सर इन सब के आंसर्स जो मैंने दिए हैं और
Good.
किसी ने नहीं दिए।
Yes, yes. Now the next question. Okay, complete the statements. 0 is a dash number.
होल नंबर, होल नंबर।
Oh, how do you know that?
सर मैंने पहले से किया है
Okay, tuition में
अपने
वगैरह।
ट्यूशन सर। हाँ
Tuition?
यस सर,
Okay, good.
यस।
This is whole number. 2 is a dash than 3. So
लेस,
the option is 2 is less than. So you can use this symbol or, okay, this symbol, less than. 2 is less than 3. All of you are clear?
यस सर।
Okay. 24 divided by 3 will give you,
3 8s are 24.
yes, 8. And here,
Sir, we have to first put a bracket, then 9 plus 6, then bracket close, then plus 3.
okay, this is the
9 plus 6.
this
9
property is
plus 6.
associative property.
Yes,
9
yes,
plus 6,
6. And then bracket close, and then plus
sorry,
3.
9 plus 6 and plus 3.
Yes.
This is same, but the bracket change its place.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Fx is whole number. Then the distributive property of multiplication over addition says 7 is multiplied with x and 3 is multiplied with x. In other word,
Then we
we
7
say,
plus 3.
in
7
other word,
plus 3.
okay, good. In other word, it is
then-
said that x is multiplied with 3 as well as with 7. So it means x is multiplied with 3 as well as with 7. Sorry, first 7,
Yes, sir.
then
First 7.
3. You see,
And
x,
then 2x's.
yes. So this is property is known as distributive property. It is given in the question. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So take the screenshot. 1 minute. X into 7 plus 3. Then you can fill the book. Okay. Have you taken the screenshot? Screenshot हो गया?
No, sir.
Take the screenshot.
Took the screenshot, sir.
Okay, good. Anybody have problem in it? And this question 1?
No, sir.
Good. Okay, let me clear the screen. Okay, true, false. 6 is less than 8. Is it true or false?
Yes, sir. It's true.
That's true.
True.
All of you are agree.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this is true. True is done. 17 is less or equals to 20.
True.
True, because one is okay. 17 is less, so it is also true. And this one, for any 3 whole number a, b, c, so
False.
a is multiplied with b, a is multiplied with c, and there is a different sign between them. Is it true or false?
False.
How?
Yes.
How it is false? Let's take an example. 5 minus 2 and multiply 4. So 4 with 5 minus 4 and 2. From the left hand side, what we are getting?
Sir, it's true. I said it. No, hasn't said it.
Here, this is 3 and 3 4s are 12. Checking the right hand side, 4 5s are 20 minus 4 2s are 8. So after this, what we are getting? It is okay. Sorry. Okay. This is okay. If yes, A is multiplied with B, it is not there. A is multiplied with C, it is not there. So you are correct and the question is wrong. Azam Mehboob, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Fourth one, for any whole number ABC, this property that we have studied in the previous question known as associative property. Just bracket, the bracket is changed there. So it means nothing is changed
It's
other
true.
than bracket. So it is true.
It is true.
And the last one, it is same as that of fourth one.
Sir,
But-
it's also
but it's also true. Okay, take the screenshot. Done?
done.
Okay. Just this one. Oh, sorry. That was my mistake. This one is not true. This is false. Choose the correct answer. Name the property 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 is which one? Which property is 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2? The property used here that is known as
Communicative.
Communicative.
yes, commutative. 3 options are given. So you are correct. Okay, good. 0 is a whole number. Is called
सर ये कौन सा यूनिट है
ये एक्सरसाइज आप पूछ रहे हैं this one review exercise 2
सर मैंने मैथ्स बुक ले ली है
मुबारक
वो
हो
ग्रेड सर वो ग्रेड 7 की है
तो नहीं वो 8 की भी 8 की यूज होगी आप लोगों के लिए ग्रेड 7 की आप लोगों ने क्लास 6 में नहीं पढ़ी
नहीं क्लास 6 में तो हम है ना अभी तो हम क्लास
ओके सॉरी आप क्लास 6 में ये दोनों पढ़ेंगे क्लास 6 वाला भी और 7th वाला भी
हाँ 7th वाला 1 2 3 चैप्टर सिर्फ पढ़ेंगे
हाँ। और इसमें कितने
इसमें सारे आई थिंक सो या थोड़ी स्किप भी करेंगे
ओके तो अब इसमें देखिए 0 इज अ होल नंबर इज कॉल्ड 0 जिस नंबर के साथ ऐड भी करें तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता एडिटिव 0 को जिस तरह 1 को मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी कहते हैं तो इसी तरह 0 को एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी कहते हैं मतलब क्या when you multiply with 1 with a number there is no change the number will remain unchanged and if you add 0 with a number you will get the same number so this in this case 0 is additive identity, and in the previous case, one is multiplicative identity. Okay, so the answer is multiplicative identity. Sorry, not multiplicative. This tick is wrong. It should be on B. Okay, B पे आप टिक करें.
हाँ सर.
Additive identity. Zero का दूसरा नाम additive identity है, and the name, mathematical name of one, that is multiplicative identity.
हाँ.
Okay, the statement E plus F plus G, F plus G plus E is an example of which property?
It's commutative.
Associative. For association, there are three elements. Commutative में just two, F plus G, G plus F. But here,
There are three elements.
okay, so it is done. Okay, the third one, 25 by 5 is equals to 5. It is,
5.
yes, 5. I think that's
Sir,
And हमें भी आंसर करने के लिए छोड़ दो ना यार.
जी
तो
जी
तुम लोग आंसर क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
जी जी जी.
मैं जैसे ही अपना माइक खोलता हूँ तुमने आंसर दे दिया होता है.
माइक खोला रखो मेरी तरह.
ये बहुत तेज है.
ये शोर है ना सर, इसलिए माइक बंद कर देते.
ये बात सही है. हाँ. Okay, let me take your attendance.
Sir, I think so. It's commutative. Can I check it at the answers?
Yes, 1 minute.
सर मैं आंसर्स में चेक करता हूँ.
1 minute. 1 minute. This is class 6th.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
6D 2005. Okay, done. Azan, आपको क्या चाहिए?
Sir, I was saying that वो the statement E plus that one. It's commutative. I have checked it in the answers.
1 minute.
आराम तुम भी check कर लो.
Sir, after this one.
It is now correct. After this one, the last one. 1 minute. Where is this? Yes.
Yes sir, this one. This is I think so commutative.
For commutative property is that property in which we add two number, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. In associative property,
Azan, there are three elements.
there are three elements, three numbers.
There's a E, F, and G.
Okay, got it. And there was some mistake in this question as well. This was, it was false.